You're a new patient with us today. I got Joe Linda here with me. Joe Linda, meet Wild Boar.
Hi, Joe Linda.
And you've been going to another doctor, another clinic, someplace else, and you're the daughter. Is that right?
No, I'm the caregiver.
You're the caregiver. Okay. Well, you're just like family to him, I'm sure.
Yes.
All right. So Wild Boar has got a problem here. Why don't you show her your legs?
All right.
What do you think?
Okay.
All right. How about taking a look at the other leg?
Let's see.
You just never know what's going to come in, what somebody's going to come in with around here.
That's true.
Look at that.
Are you going to take pictures of my legs?
Well, I'm just videoing it, believe it or not.
Oh.
Remember when you said it'd be okay?
Well.
Yeah.
But
Remember when you asked for money? I told you. You remember all that now? So, Joe Linda, what do you think here? Should somebody make like a TikTok noise?
A little bit on the background.
When did this all start?
a long time ago.
Long time ago.
Yeah, it's been a
Couple years.
I don't know.
Longer than that, I'm betting.
Is it itchy?
It's itchy. Yeah, not right now. It's not itchy, but sometimes it's itchy.
So we call those excoriations right there. See there where you actually scratched the skin off and left, bloody scratch marks and trails all up in there. How about showing us your elbows? You think we can do that without showing? I don't want to show your face. I just want to show the
Why don't
condition.
you show
here.
my face either? My gosh, I'd have to charge you for that.
Yeah, well, I'm gonna try to get up there. We go. That's the elbow right there. Yeah. All right, the other elbow looks very similar to that.
Yeah, just not as much.
Yep. Okay, so Joe Linda, you don't want to. She's turning her head. Smile for us now. All right. Now you're a new nurse practitioner, so you're not going to get in trouble for getting the answer wrong. What's he got?
A really bad case of either eczema or psoriasis.
Exactly. He's got psoriasis, but it's even worse than that on the lower extremity. He's got ichthyosis.
Ichthyosis.
Yeah, you could say ichthyosis vulgaris, but there's a whole list of ichthyosis. And basically all ichthyosis means is that the condition of the skin has gotten so bad it's like fish scales. Okay? And in this case,
Hyperkeratinosis.
right, what Wild Boar has done is he's actually scratched off the outer surface of the skin to the point where it's almost like a burn. Okay? So what would you do with him if he was your patient?
You gave me the answer earlier.
I know.
Wound care.
First, we're going to get you to wound care, and then we're going to see about getting him a biological agent for the psoriasis treatment. Okay, well, you did great. You get a B+.
Because I that's not fair. You gave me the answer beforehand.
Well, you still get I only give you part of the answer. All right, Wild Boar, thanks so much. I appreciate you sharing your story with us, and maybe you'll come back in a few months, and we'll get another look at that and see what things look like.
Sounds good.
After we put you in through some treatment, okay?
Sounds good to me.
All right, buddy. Tell us something.
Hi, I'm Suzanne, and I take Dr. G's Meta 7.
This right here?
I've been taking it since, for 1 month, actually.
And
And I really enjoy it because it activates my life, just like it says. I have lots of energy.
you do have more energy.
And yes, a lot
And
more
you're
energy.
taking it as part of a weight loss program, right?
Yes.
Okay, and now we have lost some weight, but we're not going to attribute all of that to the Meta 7 because we use something else to help. But the good thing is while you're losing weight, you still have lots of
Energy.
yeah. Thanks.
You're welcome. And I like to swim, and so it's great because I can swim extra long because of the Meta 7. I really, really enjoy it.
Awesome.
So, yes,
Thanks.
you're welcome.
All right, folks, this is Emily, and Emily's been using Cocoa Skin Plus. Emily, you want to give your personal testimonial?
I started taking Cocoa Skin Plus about 6 months ago, and since then I've noticed a huge difference in my skin. It's softer, my hair is softer, and it's grown so long.
Awesome.
I highly recommend it. I've definitely noticed a difference. It's definitely helped my hair feel better, my skin feel better, and you can pick it up on Amazon.
All right, check out Cocoa Skin Plus on m7amazon.com. Available, and it was designed by Dr. John Gilmore. Thanks.